Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Balmbare subscription. Okay, Balmbare Revive subscription. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website, that is balmbare.com. Okay, and once you are on the official website, there is a option like manage subscription. Okay, at the very top side or at the very bottom side, when you scroll down at the very bottom side, there is an option manage subscription. When you tap this option manage subscription, it will pop up this kind of a screen. On this screen you need to enter your email ID and you need to click on send subscription login link. Once you tap on this option, you need to check your email, which is your register email ID, and they will provide you a link. By using link, you can log in into your subscription page and you can pause, you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, if this method will not work, if you have already tried this method and still they are charging on your account, so you are also in the new trap of scam, we can say, because in today's time there are so many websites, they are just taking subscription money and they are not providing easy way to cancel subscription. So in this way, in this method, what you have to do, you need to contact your credit card provider and you need to cancel your credit card. Okay, and once you cancel your credit card, once you get new credit card, your all unwanted or all your old subscription will ended, and this is the last option to cancel your subscription. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.